I love the sounds of Christmas, like a sleigh bell in the night, like a lot of happy children playing with their eyes shining bright. I love the sounds of Christmas, like the opening of a gift, like singing Christmas carols softly to give our hearts a lift. I love the sounds of Christmas, like the laughter on a Christmas day, and it makes me very happy now in many kinds of ways. I love the sounds of Christmas, like the snowflake in the sky, like the wind that blows through heaven on a special Christmas night. Now the Bible tells the story that so very long ago, how Christ came down from heaven then, because He really loves us so. If you love the sounds of Christmas and it fills your heart with joy, you know if Christ is not the center now, it's not really Christmas at all. So I wish you a Merry Christmas with the love and fun galore, and I hope you'll all remember now Jesus loves you one and all. I hope you'll all remember Jesus loves you one and all. I hope you'll all remember now Jesus loves you one and all.